Go na!
We're gonna buy some bubbles. I like
Look at the
that.
jeepney, Ricky! Oh!
Look at that.
Nice jeepney!
I'm gonna use the camera.
Yeah, okay. Do you like jeepney?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. Stop by muna kami dito sa Dunkin' Donut. Andito na kami ngayon sa Tagaytay. Lamig! Check natin yung weather kung gaano kalamig. 76. Oh, it's not bad. Parang weather lang siya sa California, yung 76. Mga spring ano siya, weather. Sige, dance ka muna dyan. Angel, bilis, sige. Sasayaw na lang daw si Angel. Oh. Malamig kasi. Oh. Sige, go. Dito na kami. Oh. Magka-camping kami sa ano, sa picnic room. Oh, damig! Yung dalawa, nagsaset ng ano, canopy. Mig.
Bay na lang na ate, mamaya, hayaan mo kung ano na lang, isa na lang laruin. Yung isa maghagis, yung isa hahabol, gano'n. Go! Ay, yung lahat hahabol. Isa na lang hagis.
Ganda pala ng canopy nyo eh, no?
Ng lahat.
May ano pa mo, may pa-curve. Ano ba, magsaset up na ba tayo ng ano dito, ng tent at saka campfire? Ito na mismo yun. Yan na ba yun? Oh. Okay. Yan. Hindi na mangyayari sa atin yung sa Quezon ha, yung pagpa-fold na. Nabot ng siyam-siyam. Paano ba yan? Ganito?
Kali ka muna, tol. Kahit i-hook mo lang, tol.
Ayan na. Ito na yung canopy natin, no? Tingnan nyo. Nice. Diba? Meron na tayong canopy.
Hi guys.
Picture mo na, picture mo na. Picture mo na. 1, 2, cheese!
Welcome to
Are you feeling cold? Okay, here. You wanna do a vlog? Okay, you go.
Why are you making the tent? Is that a tent? Let's go. Hi guys, we're going in this. There's a skip line. And there's a zip line. So guys, we're here. Hi guys. And there's Enrique. Hi Enrique. Look guys, the kite is stuck. There on the tree. Look at the kite. Kite. Show the view. Show the view guys. That's Mira and Enrique. There's Yono. Hi. Wow, wow, dance, dance, dance. Yeah, go, go. and Ate Maya. Apply. Remember, I went there. What? We went there. So cold, guys. So we have a jacket. It's so cold. So cold. There's a tent. It's gonna go there. And FP Enrique, say hi. Hello. Say hello.
Hi! Hi, guys! It's so cold in here. Hi!
Ay, na yun.
What do you want to say?
Hi, guys.
Who are you, by the way?
Rihanna.
Rihanna. This is Rihanna.
I
and
found something.
Yona. What did you got?
I found.
What is that? Oh, it's a Jolen. Meron tayong aeroplano rito. Yan.
Wait lang, walang
Whoa, look at that. Ayan, ito yung mga food namin. This is our food.
This is donut. And this is the
Dunkin'
pizza.
and pizza.
And
Yay!
this is our water.
Tara na, buksan na natin.
Hungry?
Yeah!
Yes!
Your heads na.
Hungry?
Mommy used to net to me.
Are you hungry, Enrique?
Yes.
What are you gonna eat?
Pizza.
The pizza?
I don't like the pineapple with no mushroom.
Oh,
like
anything.
pepperoni.
Just remove the ano. Remove.
Pineapple. I don't like it.
No, we're just gonna remove the Hawaiian and stuff. See, that's
I like pineapple and mushroom.
yeah, that's perfect. It's healthy.
Kain.
Chicken. Ay, maanghang. Medyo spicy.
Ito?
Chicks talaga.
Medyo ano lang siya. May
I think-
pepper. May pepper.
He's hungry. Spicy.
Ano? Ito?
Spicy. Ito spicy ba?
Ha?
Dami nating food.
Dami.
No.
Laki.
What do you wanna eat? You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Snow. Ayan po. Opo, mayroon po kaming mangga. Kain po kayo. Sarap. Ang dami natin.
si Fry na ano?
Ganda na ba?
Ayan, sa likod.
Boy bawang na may ano, halo-halo.
Meron tayong alamang, oh. May alamang kami.
Here, we get a chair
Bago,
soda.
oh.
Look on your back.
Ang tamis yun to. At yung maniba.
Look on your back.
Hindi ka tulad ng mangga namin. Ang asim talaga. Maya, favorite mo.
Lapang yung dalawa, oh.
Ay,
Si Maya.
ano sabi mo kanina? Ayaw mo. Ayaw na niya kumain. Ngayon kumakain na naman.
Go, Maya.
Mana ka talaga sa tita mo.
Ano kayo na?
Go, Ate Maya. Go lang. Walang diet, Ate Maya. Kain.
Habang nandito ka sa Kabitinak, kumain ka na kumain.
Tanda ka pa naman eh. Okay lang.
Sarap ba? Sarap.
Let's talk about it now.
Yummy.
Yummy. Ingitin si Maris at si Kuya. What about you?
O, tingnan mo, tapos tingnan mo.
Yummy.
Yung
Yona, do you want chicken or no?
Bigyan mo kaninang...
Enrique, what did you get?
Pag di nila nagustuhan sa akin, iya.
Ay, kaya lang.
Finish the bread.
Ganda yan. Lalaki ka talaga yan.
Ate Maya, oh, Shy. Anong kinakain mo dyan? Wala kang kinakain, Ate Maya. Asaan?
Makain niya na lahat.
Ano to? Toasted, ano to? Siapaw. Siapaw. Oh. Meron kaming donut.
And pizza.
May munchkins. Ang daming food eh. Oh, pizza. Oh.
And I have
Ubus
chicken.
na.
I have chicken.
Pusog.
Chicken.
I have chicken.
Sarap, Mira.
Very good.
What happened yun?
Yun, napasakain lang yan.
Itong ano nung? Kain tayo ng mangga. Sarap. At Maya. Sister, kakain ng mangga. Yum.
Masarap.
Yum. Tamis eh. Ano to eh, di ba? Maniba lang. Tawagin, di ba? Maniba.
Sarap pa lang to. oh.
Bakit charon? Di ba?
Shrimp to eh. Baka-baba ka lang. Baka magibili niya ka ni Judy.
Enjoy. Oh, go. Dance. Go, Angel. Music daw, music. Sindan, may dancer na pala tayo dito eh. Oh. Si Angel, oh. Nadaan na lang sa sayaw. Go, Angel, go. Some water muna. Drink some water. Okay. Get some water. Good job. Yan. Okay. Careful. What happens?
Hindi may pusa kasi. Inaano niya.
What happened? Are you scared?
Hindi, pusa inanin niya.
What happens now?
Tawag niya.
Huh? Huh?
Gusto
Do you want to play with the cats? Oh, yeah. Oo. Ano daw? Oh, no. Ikaw talaga.
Ow.
Oh, you call the cat. Busy. Ha?
May foreigner na.
May foreigner?
Ano po? Babaeng taga-America din.
Tapos?
Kinakusa niya, you wanna play? Gano'n siya.
Oo.
Bibili.
Bibili kami ng bubbles. Ang dilim na dito. Super. Mga batuta. Ang tindahan at nadenggoy po ako ng 4 na batang ito. Nabudol po ako. Ito po ang sukle. 100 na lang. 100. Okay na, Pierre?
Happy? Yeah, happy.
Alright.
Oh, what will you say? Kanilang nailit, kaban? Thank you!
You're welcome.
Thank you!
At least para nakasteady lang sila. Hindi na sila maghahabula, no?
You remember in
Maya lang, pag ubos na yan,
bubbles? And that Yona Yona's home?
Oh, look at that. Oh, Maya. Maya. This is Maya. Guys, did you know that this is a balita trees?
Where?
Puno ng this is a balita tree.
What the?
Just kidding. Yeah. Look. Nakakatakot naman to. Maya! Halika, tara nga, tingnan natin. Ito na yung dilim. Ngayon lang kami nakapunta sa Tagaytay ng gabi, no Maya?
Opo.
Sama kayo sa amin ha. Tingnan natin. Anong meron sa dako paroon? Maya! Hello? Takot. Ayun yung na. Takot ako. Balik na kami. Oo nga, natatakot ako. Nakakatakot. Ang dilim. Nakakatakot din dito sa Tagaytay. Masyadong madilim na. Mamaya mahulog pa kami sa bangin. Diba? Ganda rito. Okay, go!
Look, guys.
Can you show me? Vicky, show. Wow! Oh, that's nice. What about you, Ricky? Go! Wow! For Ate Maya. Wow! That's nice! Where's your Nanyana? Ay, ang ganda. Oh. Ba't nandiyan kayo? Dito sila. Ba't kayo andyan? Ay, nandun. Paliwanag ko. Come on. So, Zisling ni Aling Meng sa may Amadeo, Cavite. Gutom na? Where's the bag? What is that? Oh, kagay-kay.
Look at that sweet.
Oh no, poor.
Naman, Dike.
Oh, Enrique, what did you do?
Because I don't like bugs.
What have you done?
Because I don't like bugs. But it's a droopy, but I don't like it. It makes me scared.
Tomgots na yan, tomgots. Tomgots ka na? Tomgots na kami. 10 o'clock na, oh. Ano na? Oo, 10 o'clock na nga. Sarap na mga ano nila dito, no? Ulam. Pares. Sisig. May mami din. Lomi. Pares caldo. Hi, Snow! How are you, Snow? Are you hungry? Huh? You hungry, Snow? Oh, no. What do you want to eat?
You and